Standard 8 students, good morning. Today I am going to teach you about the clause. In my last video I explained the kinds of sentence and I taught you the 5 kinds of sentence, that is the declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative sentence. And today I am going to teach you the clause. So let's start. Now standard 8 students, you can see here main and subordinate clauses. Like a sentence, clause is also a group of words, but it is not only a part of the sentence. It has a subject and a predicate. The subject consists of a noun and the words that go with it. The predicate consists of a finite verb and the words that are associated with it. Clauses are of two types, main clause and subordinate clause. What is main clause? The part of a sentence which has a subject and a finite verb and is complete in the meaning is called the main clause of the sentence. For example, I read a book every month. So here it is a main clause. Which one is I read? You see, I is the subject and read is the finite verb. So this is called to be as a main clause. Now subordinate clause, the part of a sentence which has a subject and a finite verb or non-finite verb but not incomplete in meaning is called the subordinate clause of the sentence. For example, I cannot tell where does she live. So here you see subordinate clause is where does she live. The subordinate clause depends on the main clause to clarify its meaning. So here I told you that it is a subordinate clause is a part of a sentence but which has a subject and a finite verb or non-finite verb but not incomplete in meaning. So in the example, I cannot tell where does she live. So main clause will be the I cannot tell and subordinate clause will be the where does she live. Here I cannot tell is complete in its meaning and where does she live depends on the main clause to clarify its meaning. So therefore where does she live is a subordinate clause. Now more examples of the main and subordinate clauses. He could not reach early. It is a main clause. Because he fell ill. It is a subordinate clause. This is Mr. Sharma. This is a main clause. Who arrived last week? It is a subordinate clause. When he lost all money, he got depressed. So when he lost money is a subordinate clause and he got depressed is the main clause. Note, the word that joins the subordinate clause with the main clause of the sentence is called the coordinating conjunction. For example, that, because, so, etc. So standard 8 students, today what I taught about the clause you have understood. So you will read at home what I taught today. Stay with me for the next video where I will teach you more about the sentence. So be fine, stay healthy, have a nice day. Goodbye.